Hello and welcome back to Faceless Security, where we explore the world of technology and cybersecurity. In this video, we'll be discussing how to apply the essential concepts of security in your daily life. In our previous video, we introduced you to the concepts of security. Now, let's see how you can apply these concepts to protect yourself and your data. Confidentiality. To maintain confidentiality, use strong passwords and two-factor authentication, and keep your personal and financial information private. Be careful when sharing sensitive information online, and make sure that the websites you use are secure. Integrity. To ensure the integrity of your data, keep backups and store them in a secure location. Use encryption for sensitive files, and be mindful of who has access to your information. Availability. To ensure the availability of your systems and data, keep your software and devices up to date, and use antivirus and anti-malware software. Regularly back up your data to avoid data loss in case of a disaster. Authentication. To protect your identity, use unique and complex passwords, and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Be cautious of phishing scams, and never enter your login credentials on a site you're not familiar with. Authorization. To control who has access to your information, be selective about what you share online, and manage your privacy settings on social media and other online platforms. Non-repudiation. To be able to prove a specific action, use digital signature, public key infrastructure, PKI, hash function, and regular auditing. Identification. To verify the identity of a user or a device, you can use two-factor authentication. A combination of password, biometrics, smart cards, and smart token will help to identify the user. Authenticity. To protect the authenticity of information, use digital signature, hash function, public key infrastructure, PKI, and Message Authentication Codes, MACs. Accountability. To be able to track and attribute specific action, log and monitor systems with a combination of access control. By following these simple steps, you can protect yourself and your data and stay secure in the digital world. Several solutions that was mentioned. Public Key Infrastructure, PKI, is a system of digital certificates and trusted third-party certificate authorities that verify the identity of individuals and organizations. Digital signature is an electronic code that is attached to a message or document and used to verify the authenticity and integrity of the information. A hash function is a mathematical algorithm that generates a unique output, called a hash, from a specific input. Message Authentication Codes, MACs, is a code that is generated by a cryptographic algorithm and is used to verify the authenticity and integrity of a message. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content from Faceless Security.